what's your name?
I'm Florame.
Can you please give me 5 things that you like about Filipino men? 5 things
Yeah.
that you like.
Their skin color, one, they're moreno.
Yeah.
Then
What
I
else?
like tall.
Yeah, they're tall.
And
Are they? Are they tall? What else?
one, family oriented.
Mhm.
Ayun. Religious.
Religion.
I guess they're funny. Sometimes funny.
Yeah, sometimes they're
Yeah.
funny. Okay.
That's all.
Okay. So, what are the 5 things that you don't like about Filipino men?
Some Filipino men kind of insensitive
Yeah,
about
insensitive.
feelings.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then yeah, manipulative.
Manipulative.
Some,
Okay.
some.
Some, yeah.
Though then I guess some of my encountered men is they're into young girls.
Oh, all right.
Oh yeah, toxic sometimes.
Okay, they're toxic. Okay.
Then
Can you give me 5 that you like about the foreigners? 5 things that you like about foreigners.
um yeah, same tall.
Mm-hmm.
Then
They're tall.
I also like their skin color.
Yes, that is.
Then they're big, like
They're basic.
yeah.
All right.
physical,
They're okay.
muscular.
Yeah.
Their sometimes their fashion sense.
All right. That's
I
good.
like them. Then oh yeah, handsome.
They're handsome. All right. So, can you please give me 5 things that you dislike about foreigners?
There can be yeah, I some of kana ako makita nila
What you see and what you heard.
is like they're insensitive about
Okay.
they're not family oriented.
That's it.
Like abusing.
Abusive. All right.
Then I think that's all I've heard.
That's all what you heard. Okay. Which one would you like today? A man with a great sense of humor or a smart man?
Hala, it's hard. I like both, but it's hard to pick. I kinda, but I'm more
You're more
I'm more into smart because I do have a sense of humor, so I want my man to be smart that can educate me a lot of they can educate me a lot of things.
it's nice. Okay. In the future, how many children would you plan on having?
I don't plan on having child, but I can like 2 kids,
Two kids.
a girl and a boy.
Okay. Would you like it a Filipino or pure Filipino or half foreign baby?
Um, I do like half foreign babies. Why? Because I do find them in my own perspective. I do kind of like foreign babies because they're cute.
Very cute.
Then that's all I see about them.
Okay. Okay. How do you feel if your Pinoy boyfriend or foreigner partner cheated on you?
Immediately break up.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Is that what
No.
you do? That's
No.
what you do.
Yeah. No second chance. No.
No second, no second chance.
You
Even do you love,
cheated?
even do you love the guy,
Yes. No. I don't like cheating.
you wouldn't forgive him and forget and move on with him.
Yeah. It depends on their reason. No. Break up.
Wow, you don't believe in a second chance?
In other but not cheating.
In other stuff, but not cheating.
Yeah.
That's your pet hate. Okay. What do you think of the Filipino people thought about foreigner? What do you think about their Filipino mindset towards foreigner?
Huh? Oh, I hear sometimes like they are a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Then they're so money. So money.
So what do you think that way also? Do you think that foreigner has lots of money?
Yeah,
Why?
because the in here in the Philippines,
Mm.
I like money. Money pala pala.
Here in Philippines, a lot of Filipino people think that way.
Yeah.
And that's your mindset also.
Yeah.
The foreigners are a lot of, has lots of money
Because of their jobs.
because they have good jobs and
Mm.
they're, of course, the value, big salary. Okay. Okay. Do you think foreigners are nice people?
Um, some some of the foreigners I encountered is nice, but some don't.
Some are not. All right. So do you think they are more smart and wise?
I think it's based on their it's based on their mindset.
Mm.
Like some Filipino are smart and some it's not ng so nga English ng not dili depende sa kuante.
It's not depend on what?
Depend on their nationality.
It's not depend on their nationality. So have you heard foreigners are players and cheaters? Yeah? Where did you hear that?
Some in like Instagram.
All right, in Instagram. In a
Yeah.
social media.
Social media.
Okay. Do you think foreigner are strict or they are more understanding and more laid back approach to life? They are more laid back approach to life. Do you think they are strict or do you think they are more understanding?
I think more understanding.
They are more understanding. Why?
Gusto naman nito. At dilo ay kanang ako maingon na dito kay more understanding.
They are more understanding compared to Filipino. Are they more understanding or Filipino are more understanding than foreigners?
More understanding than Filipino.
Okay. Okay. For example, if you are married to a foreigner, would you prefer to live here in the Philippines with him or in his old country?
Some of me want to live here, but I guess I want to migrate to with him in her
In his
in
country.
his country.
Because what? Why? What's the reason that if he lives if he wants you to settle down in his country, so you will be okay with that?
Yeah.
It's not problem.
That's not.
So even though you left your family here in the Philippines, you'll be okay.
Yes, kanang if we be okay kanang like kanang visit with me sa kuan ba?
It's just visit here in the Philippines. All right. If you're dating a foreigner and he expected you to be intimate with him once or twice a day, would it bother you?
Ayun lang. Um, it depends, I guess.
It depends on what.
Like if I'm too tired and
If you're, it depends if she's too tired. It
like,
depends on
if
her
I
mood.
want,
If you want. But you make sure you will be intimate with him.
yeah.
All right. You're fine with once or you're fine with twice?
Hala! Kan. I guess.
6 times a day is better.
if I'm not too tired, I just like
Twice. If she's not too tired. Oh, that's true. That's true though. It depends. If I'm too tired, yeah, once.
yes.
But if not too tired, twice or more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Twice or more. Bangor, Pilipinas. Yes. You know, so what do you think of us? Can survive? Of course we can survive. So once or twice is just a chicken. Yeah? Once or twice is just a chicken for a Filipina. It depends on the mood.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that won't bother you. Because you can fight up to 10. Up to 10. Up to 10 round fight.
Fighting.
Yes, fighting.
Kamu day.
What are your thoughts of self pleasure?
I guess it's normal.
It's normal. Yes, it is normal for us. Because we are human. We have
Yeah,
needs,
we have
right? So
needs.
self pleasure is fine and it's important. So do you do it? Self pleasure.
Mm. Um,
Yeah. How often?
not often. I think
Not often. As long as you do self pleasure. Okay, what are the benefits of the self pleasure?
It can release. I think it can release stress,
What else?
and yes, you can enjoy yourself.
Yes, of course, that's true.
That's all.
That's all. Would it bother you if the man has different religion? For example, you're dating a guy, but then he has a different religion than yours. Would it bother you?
I think wala po sa ako lang sa insight kaya kayo English kanang dili kay ko ka wapo ko ka hunahuna abatan.
You don't think about that. So for example, you love the guy so much. Just for example, okay? But then he is a Muslim. So would you still date with him or you will stop dating with him because of the religion?
I guess I would still date him despite of their religion because I do love him.
You do love him.